In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a pop-up on your Wix website. So the pop-up can appear at any seconds that you want it to appear at. So I've put it mine to like 6 seconds, and you can customize this pop-up to however you want. To do this, it is actually very simple. So here's how you do it. So open up the Wix editor and then go to the website you want to edit. Then go to the plus icon and add elements. Then you need to go ahead and find interactive. And then from interactive, you need to click on lightboxes. Here you can choose what pop-up you need. You can customize this, but the default is going to be a welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contact page. Obviously, you can add whatever you want here. Do you want to promote your Instagram? Do you want them to opt into an email? You can do basically anything. Maybe we want to click on promotion and then find one that resonates with us, or maybe we want to put at opening times, or maybe we want to say we're closed. So I'm going to just add this one, and you can go ahead and customize it however you want. Once you click it, you will then be put into lightbox mode, where you can then edit this like a normal page. So edit the text, edit the images, you can add videos, you can do whatever you want, right? Now what you need to do, and this is important, you need to go to set triggers and then automatically display the lightbox on pages. Yes. What pages do you want it to appear on? So I've got it on home, but you can choose other pages as well. Then you've got a delay. So I'm going to put my delay at 5 seconds. You can then go ahead and choose how do you want people to interact with this? Do you want people to click the X icon or the close button? We're going to go with the X icon. Then you can go ahead and publish this. You can also click exit mode. It's not going to hurt your pop-up. Then when someone goes to your site, in 5 seconds, we're going to get this pop-up. So we'll just wait for it. And there you go, there's the pop-up. You can customize this however you want. That is how you would do it.